Okay, we finally have this webinar set up for you today with my friend Sean Snyder. You're going to want to take a look at this if you want to make money online and you don't have a lot of, say, experience with technical stuff when it comes to websites or SEO or growing a social media or anything like that. If you just want to make some money and you want to do something that is actually working right now, and that we have hundreds of people coming in and joining our community here with this opportunity. Basically, we're going to show you in this webinar 100% for free how you can build a part-time or even full-time income just by doing something at your local grocery store or local dollar store. And so we are going to have this live webinar with my friend Sean. We've been working together for over 6 months now. And one of the most amazing guys I've ever met when it comes to hard work and just like really providing for his family. Just like a regular blue collar guy, comes from a steel mill background and now has turned full-time internet marketer. So someone that doesn't have any experience, barely even able to open up and send emails, now he's running a full-time business, making more than me. So you're going to want to pay attention to this free web training here today. It's going to get started in about 8 hours from when I'm making this video. So I'll upload this, and in a few minutes, well, a few hours, you're going to learn how to create a profitable and successful online business. Even with what's happening right now this year, it can be done, and all you have to do is sign up. There'll be a link somewhere below the video. See you